What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Busy Boom here, back with another dance tutorial. I hope y'all are ready for the SOCA vibes. You already know, Machel Montano in the building. We're gonna be doing a dance to Private Party because, you know, we got the fete in our living room today. So, wait, hold on. Are y'all ready? Before I even say it, make sure you get your rag, whatever country you're from, man. It's time to get busy. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna get started with the first part of the dance. This video is gonna be mirrored for you, so we're gonna be doing the same direction, okay? So I'm gonna be using my hands in a fist motion. And I'm going to step on my right leg first, leaving my back nice and loose. As I step with the right leg, I'm going to be uppercutting almost with the right hand. So I'm going to look like this. Step, step, up, down. Now when I do that last one, my hands are going to go over, okay? So I'm going to look like this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat on the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. From here, I'm going to take my right leg, and it's gonna scoop out as my right hand comes forward to scoop towards me. Switch the other side. Scoop, go down my body, hit, push your hips back and up. And you're gonna have like your cell phone here. Cool? So let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7 with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Go 3, 4, and 5. Good. From here to bring it down, 6, 7, 8. You're just going to wind with your waist. It can go to the right or the left, whichever way you prefer. You're going down. Oh, whoa. Then you're going to come down, hit, and up. So I'm going to go down, fist. Then I bring my hands up, step forward with the right leg. Boom. Bring it back in. Now I'm going to make like a frame here with my hands. Boom. Step with the left. Bring it back in. Good. From here, I'm going to take my hands, they're going to open up, like sun shines above me or something, okay? And I'm going to be stepping on my right leg to go down first on the groove. So it's going to go right, left, step, step. I'm just pointing because, you know, you're feeling that vibe, you're in that zone. So we said 1, 2, step, step. From here, you want to catch a feeling in your heart. You're going to ball change off this left leg and hit, bringing the hand to the chest. So you're like falling into the feeling to step right, left, right, slide. Okay? Let's do that one more time, all that new part. So we said slowly from the very top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Go 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this part, you have your rag in your right pocket. You're going to take your rag out. You slide on that 4. Lift it up on the 5, 6, okay? 5, 6, 7. I'm wiping in front of me. So go down on the 8, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to help me jump forward. So go forward on the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this feeling, I feel like I'm almost like palancing to the front, if you want to think about that, for all the SOCA heads that know what's up. Okay, so I want to act like I'm just palancing to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, you can make that as wild as you want. You can kick your leg out if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just a vibe to get you to the front, okay? From here, stepping on the right leg, my hands are going to cross in front, right over left. Step, step left. Then they're going to go above me. Right, left. Good. This is when you talk about like my living room looks like a stadium kind of vibe, okay? So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're just looking around like all the people are in the stadium, all right? So we're going to bring that one more time from here. We slid back, rags in our pocket. 4, I said 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now from here, you want to act like you're fetting with your day one. So you guys just want to rave up, taking your rag, representing your country. Wave, 2, 3, 4. Good. From here, stepping down on that right leg, the hands are going to fall by my waist. Dip down, pull up, switch over to the other side, down, up. Okay, so it says 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, ha. These ones are going to go above your head. The second one here, boom, ha. So you want to fall into it nice and smooth there, okay? So from this point, boom, you want to take your body. Actually, I'm going to bring you guys back because I feel like I'm going a little fast for y'all, but we're going to bring it back from the slide to connect it, okay? 5, 6, 7, slow. We slide, bring the rag out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wave, 2, 3, 4. Scoop and scoop and. Nice, okay? Let's continue from here now. This is just a rock. Like you want to feel like the energy is in your chest and it's carrying you forward. From the side, I look like this. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Bouncing off my feet. And it's going to take me to the side to just rave up, okay? So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, hit. 5, 6, 7, hit. And I want to feel like I'm just with all my friends at Caravana or on the road, Juve, whatever you want to think of. Whatever makes you get hype, okay? So I'm using that energy. We finish from here. Boom. Ta. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then from here, I want to take my right hand to go out with the right hand with the right leg and then step with the left. Then I want to pound all the energy into the center. Boom. To bring me up. Like you mash up the place. Okay? So we're going to go step, step, boom. And you see how I bring that right leg in to give me that extra power. Right, left, hit, boom. Good. That's going to give you that energy to jump up nice and strong, okay? From here, I'm going to go forward, taking my hands. You're going to think of doing an X, X, call down the rain, okay? So I'm going to step right, left, right. This left leg is going to help me hop again. One more time. I'm going 1, 2, 3, up. And that's going to bring me to a jump. And I'm going to be facing the back at this point, okay? So before we go to the second half of the dance, let's connect everything slowly from the top so you can review that before we move on, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You pull your rag out. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! That's it, okay? So that's going to be the first half of the dance before we go to the second part, which is going to bring us toward the ending. So I want you to review that as much as you can. Rewind the video, go back, see what you missed, see what you messed up, and fix it, okay? I believe in you. I want you to get this and have fun with it. It's a fete in our living room. Come on. All right? So let's move on to the second part. Okay, so now we're facing the back. We're going to be pivoting on the right leg, using our left leg to step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then from here I'm going to ball change, right, left to cross. My hands over. That's going to be 5, 6, kick, 7, and 8. One more time. So we finish the jump. 8, land. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here I'm going to come up with my hips to go jump. Okay. 1, little whine. 2, 3, 4. Then in the background you hear kind of like a jump, jump, jump. Okay? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're just kind of bracing yourself back. 5, 6, and from here you're going to bring the rag around your head to step 7, 8. And then you just jam out for a little bit here. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? That's going to bring you all the way around. Let's rewind that one more time from the back. So we said 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? And you're going to feel that feeling there. It has like that downbeat, that boom, doom, 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 doom. Okay? You're gonna bring that vibe around. And then the last few counts here, the last count of 8, you get to just wild out, feel out the music, whine it out, groove it out, whatever you want to finish it. So for example, I'm just going here with my body. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to finish it. Or I can switch it up to one of my moves called elevator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anything you want to put the period on the sentence, okay? And that's gonna bring you to the end of the dance. So let's go through everything from the very top, nice and slow. You ready? Here we go. Put your rag in your pocket. We said 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. We said boom, do 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 do, ha, do 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 do, ha, do 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 do, ba ba ba, keep, do 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 do, do 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 do, boom boom, ha, hum, zoom, ta ta, do 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 do. Do 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 do, ka 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 ka, do 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 do, boo 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 boo, ha, boo 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 boo, ha, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 goo goo, do 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 boom, do 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 do, ka ka ka, ha ha, boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, woo! All right, so that's the routine. You made it, great job. To do the routine with music, all you have to do is click right here. You'll see a video of me dancing it. And if you film yourself doing the routine, I want you to tag me on TikTok, Instagram, @BusyBoom. You already know, so I can see your videos. Thank you so much for vibing with me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button, because I'm gonna be posting more tutorials in the future. Stay tuned for more. Bless up, y'all.